Now, the chances of no one else getting a gold medal in the Paris Olympic 2024 seems to be disappearing. Well, the reason is because of the new king of sprinting from Jamaica. We have two people right now leading back to back in Jamaica. And the two sprinters are Oblique Sibili and Kishane Thomson. Now, Oblique Sibili defeated no one else in Racers Grand Prix, and it has shocked the whole wide world because nobody saw that coming. And now Kishane Thomson was able to run a time that no one else ran in the final, maybe more than, because no one else won the USA Olympic trials in 9.83 seconds, while Kishane Thomson ran the first heat of the Jamaican national trials in 9.82 seconds. So what this means is Kishane Thomson, there is 100% chance that he is definitely going to be the one to get that gold medal in Paris Olympic. But will Kishane Thomson be able to achieve that feat, considering the fact that no one else has a very tricky technique he used in making his competitors fear him? No one else has the power called confidence. He has this power of domination. Even before competition could begin, no one else can make you fear him. His presence alone is something else. He has this charisma, he has this boldness when you are in lane with him. You all have seen his races. Before no one else could even start a race, he will start jumping up and down. He will start shaking up his body, making his competitors feel like they have lost already. What if Kishane Thomson got frightened? What if Kishane Thomson false started? There are a lot of factors that can contribute to Kishane Thomson not even getting a medal in Paris Olympic. So before we start going into conclusion that Kishane Thomson is going to get the gold medal in Paris Olympic, let's just pray for him. Let's just hope for him, because there are I repeat, a lot of factors can bring any athlete down in Paris Olympic, right? We have for starting rules, we have we have seen athletes starting a race and getting injured in the middle of their race. So I feel like the best thing we can do is pray for Kishani and wish the best for before him. You come arguing with me, right? Before you come challenging my opinion and my reviews, let me remind you that this is the first time Kishane Thomson will be going up in a major championship like Olympics. He has never participated in a big event like Olympics or World Athletic Championship. This is going to be first Kishane Thomson Herah, Kishane Thomson outing, right? So that is the reason why I said he has a lot to learn. He doesn't really has this big stage experience, right? When we are talking about people that have big stage experience, that is when we will start calling the names of Shelly and Fraser, Elaine Thompson, Herah, Oblique Civili, and so on and so forth. But people like Kishane Thomson did have not yet experienced the big stage. You know how how it feels to stand with athletes around the world. You get what I'm saying, right? And like I said earlier on, no one else has this confidence presence that can make his competitors and peers fear him or feel like, okay, this guy has already won the whole competition. So he has this way of feeling, making his competitors feel so like they are losers even before the race could begin. So I hope Thompson is not going to get caught up by Nuana's drama in Paris Olympic. So let me hear your opinion, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel for more amazing podcasts and videos. And also do not forget to join my channel membership, where you can support me by donating some small gift to support the channel. Okay, so make sure to join the membership.